but the most recent Global Jamaica Diaspora Council elections raises somewhat of a troubling question. And that question is, who exactly represents this diaspora and who gave them that mandate? I say this against a background that with fewer than 1,800 people, when fewer than 1,800 people participate in a vote meant to represent a population of 2 million, the legitimacy of the system itself must be examined. Now, let's take a quick look at the structure of diaspora representation. The current structure of diaspora representation revolves around two main bodies.